All right, cyber people. So we're starting here. Make sure that you start off by reading the Internet of Things. If you've never heard of that, it's been called IoT sometimes. So check that out. Read the ethical situation, and then I'm spinning up the lab here about trying to look at what information is gathered when you visit websites and all sorts of stuff like that. So after you spin it up, it says launch Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store and search for disconnect. So if we get Chrome here, boom, in the Chrome Web Store, then we can search, let's get in here, we can search disconnect. Oops. There it is, boom. So grab this, add to Chrome. So this is disconnect. You'll see I actually have it on my own browser up here because I think it's interesting. Add the extension. So we've added disconnect to our computer, and then we'll see when it's installed because it'll look like this little D for disconnect on the address bar. Let's check it out. There it is. Boom. So when we click it, you can see all sorts of things. You can see what advertising there is when you visit web pages, what analytics are going on, the social part. So you can start to see what happens when we visit websites. Okay, so you can click help. So let's go to some different sites. Okay, we got Amazon.com, Disney, and PLTW.org. So let's go to Amazon. Right? So if we go to Amazon.com and we open up our disconnect, we can see what is being tracked on this. Oops. Why is this one not working here? Come on, disconnect. Are they supposed to do something with help? Okay, I don't know why that was going on, but I just typed in pltw.org. You can see in disconnect, we have a lot of things that have now connected to that our site is blocking, right? You have advertising requests from this place. You have 19 content requests from Amazon and all sorts of crazy stuff that keeps getting blocked. Okay, so we're going to click Visualize Page. See it right down here? Boom. So you can see what all's being blocked. You can switch it to list view if you want, but I kind of like this view because you can see that's allowed. It tells you the site's allowed on PLTW. This thing's being blocked. Google Tag Manager, this one's being blocked. That was the one asking for ads. All sorts of stuff like this. This one's not letting CloudFront work. I don't know exactly what CloudFront is. So yeah, you can see all sorts of stuff on there. Disney.com. Let's try that one. There we go. Blocking stuff. Oh, look at that, clouds. You can see all this stuff that is trying to connect to your computer with Disney. Kaltura. That's like a video recording software. Doubleclick.net. Google Tag Services again. So Google's trying to track what my searches are, and it's blocking it. That's just kind of some interesting stuff. I have this on my own computer, and it shows me what's being blocked on every page I go to. So yeah, you can click on the different icons, see what they are, see how many sites in addition that your browser accessed, because it's weird. I just typed in Disney, but look, it accessed go.com, it accessed this one, it accessed fonts.net. You know, it's grabbing all these things. And it's jumping. It's way more than you think. So you can tell it not to get these things that are in red. I don't want to be tracked. I wonder if we can take off this one. Nope. So anything that shows up red, you can take off and not let them track you. So it's kind of interesting. You can put it on your own computer. It's kind of nice. It just helps your self from staying a little less watched and tracked. Another one that's really good to have is HTTPS Everywhere from Unit 1 to put on your computer. It's not on here because I think we're in a different virtual machine, but to put on your own to make any site an HTTPS site. So it encrypts your data basically. So it can't be stolen as it's being sent through the world. So HTTPS Everywhere was another good one to have on there. All right, it looks like an S. I think I had this on my personal computer too. So we can add that extension. I'm not going to turn on sync. So basically it secures unsecured websites. Anyway, so try that out. Think about which things are vulnerable and yeah, and finish that up. This is a pretty easy lesson here. All right, talk to you later, folks.